Hello and welcome to your top secret home color kit tutorial. In your bag you will find a bowl, gloves, a brush, a fork to be used as a whisk, and several containers. One container will be labeled shampoo. That is the post-color shampoo, professional use only. You'll see a container marked block. That's going to be a color block. That's a barrier cream for your skin. In addition, you'll see A and B. A is going to be your color product. B is your developer, the liquid component. Mix A into the bowl first, then just pour B right on top. They are pre-measured for you and ready to whisk. That fork actually works really, really well to bust up all the little lumps. Just get it into a nice creamy consistency, then throw the fork away. For the application, set up a towel, your brush, and the bowl. Start with the block, the barrier cream. Work that around your hairline on the skin, not your hair. This is for your forehead, for your nape, around the ear, any skin around where the color is going to go. Start by applying the color to your part first, and then to the entire front hairline, both left and right side. Everything I do in this video is just on one side, but you're going to start in the front on one side and work back. Start on the next side, front to back. Focus mainly on the hairline and the part because that's where the gray is usually the heaviest. So once you've applied to that hairline, you're going to take the pointy end of the brush, use it to section out. Depending on the texture of your hair, the thickness will vary, so we just want to make sure we get everything covered. So from front to back, forehead to back, apply to both sides of that part line. As you can see, apply to the top first, then to the bottom. So take a little practice. Clearly I've never done it this way either. Work all the way to that ear, so top to bottom, working horizontally. And then we're going to work vertically to cross check. You're going to go from top to bottom, kind of crisscrossing or tic-tac-toeing what you previously did. So work all the way front to back one side and then hit the other side, and your application is complete. It is time to process. You will let that color sit on your head for 35 minutes. 35 minutes. Do not do heat. Don't do anything special. Don't run outside or anything. Just let it sit for 35 minutes and then wash with the post-color shampoo provided for you. You can use any conditioner you feel like. Thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this ridiculously difficult time. I'm sorry we have to do it this way. Hopefully it will be just like one or two times and we'll get you back in the salon. I love you. Goodbye.